All right, Rex here. Welcome back to REM Prompt, and today we're going to do pictures using Microsoft Copilot of two students roller skating on campus. So we did one previously about two students skateboarding on campus. So I figured, why not? Let's do one of two students roller skating on campus. So let's go back into it, and we're going to turn back to Microsoft Edge, where I already have Copilot already fired up. So we're going to start out with something very generic over here. Um, Let me see here. Draw a picture of two students. We're going to say two college students walking on campus. We're going to start out with something just very generic. Two college students walking on campus. Very generic, very basic. We're not asking Copilot to do anything hard or difficult. Just two college students walking on campus. So obviously it's a college campus. Here we go. Let's see what we get. This time it's giving us four pictures. And we didn't specifically tell Copilot we wanted two guys, two girls, a guy and a girl and a guy. We didn't tell it. So we're we're just basically we're gonna let Copilot decide. So here we got a guy and a girl. We'll take that. We click on the little arrow over here. We got a girl and a guy. We'll take that. Here, guy and a girl. We'll take that. I like to click on the download button. Here we got one girl and two guys. We'll go for that. I like these pictures. They all came out pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to tweak. I am not typing. Please show one male and one female college student walking on campus. So we're going to specifically tell Copilot we want to see one guy and one girl walking on campus, both college students. We haven't specifically told it yet that they have to have backpacks, but it's already doing it. So we're not gonna really go into that part that much. It's not that important for this session. Okay. Here we got the girl and the guy. That's exactly what we want. Walking on the college campus. The girl and the guy walking on the college campus. A guy and a girl walking on a college campus. And here, another guy and another girl walking on a college campus. And obviously, you could tell these are college students. Okay, now, what is it we wanted to do? We wanted to have them roller skating. Okay, so we're going to change our prompt. So we're going to tell Copilot, have the students roller skate on campus. Uh, where was I? On campus rather than walk. Okay, so we're telling Copilot, okay, they're not walking anymore, they're skating. So we want to see them wearing roller skates. We want to see that. Okay, let's see what we get. Now we're getting AI never quite does everything exactly the way you want it to the first time. So we're getting three students, we're getting two guys and a girl, but all three of them wearing roller skates. So that is actually pretty good. It's still not exactly what we wanted, but we'll take it. Here we go. A guy and a girl, and they're wearing roller skates. Okay, we'll take it. The guy, yeah, they're wearing not exactly right. Something, it's almost like they're wearing half. They're on half skateboard, half skates. I don't know what the AI did. I think the AI messed up on this picture. Let's see. This one looks pretty good. Guy and a girl, and they're both wearing roller skates. Okay. uh Now we want to make sure that they're both wearing backpacks. Come on, both students wear backpacks on their shoulders. Okay, we want to make sure that you can tell that they're college students. They're both wearing backpacks. So let's see. So you see, with every single one of my prompts, I start out with something very generic, very basic. And not deep, no detail at all. And then I slowly start to add in more detail. When I piece by piece, I modified the prompt. Here we go. Let's see what we get. It's a little slow. There it goes. Okay, here we got a guy and a girl, and they're wearing backpacks. They're definitely wearing roller skates, and they're on a college campus. That's good. This is what we want. Next one, same thing. College campus, backpacks, a guy and a girl. That's also what we want. Here we got three people. I'll take it. That's fine. Here we go. Guy and a girl roller skating on a college campus with backpacks. That's also pretty close to what we're looking for. Okay. Now the fun part is I haven't been paying attention to what Copilot has been recommending to us, but it gives here the recommendation. Add a campus map peeking out of one of the backpacks. Make them smile and chat as they skate along. Change it to spring blossoming cherry trees. Which one looks like the most? Have them smiling and chat as they skate along. So we're just going to try one of the suggested prompts that Copilot gives us. So we're going to try that. And let's see what we get. So now it's not a prompt that I typed in, it's just one of the prompts that Copilot gave us after the last change that I made to the prompt. So now we're just totally going to be surprised. Let's see what Copilot is going to give us. Right over here. So you got a guy and a girl, they're roller skating there. They're actually wearing knee pads over here. Pretty good. And they're chatting to one another as they're skating down the sidewalk at the college campus. And here, oh, there are three of them. Oh, I think one of them is holding a skateboard. I don't know. AI does funny stuff sometimes. Here, they're definitely roller skating. One more. Um, I don't know what he's got wheels on his hand or something. I don't know what Copilot did here. That's funny. Okay. Add a cute dog following them, make the sunshine brightly in the sky, change it to fall with colorful leaves. Okay, let's do one more just for grins and giggles. Yeah. Yeah, because you don't see any leaves over here, and it is September, so it's just about fall over here. It's September at the time that I'm filming this, so we'll do one more and we'll call it a day for this video. Let's see what Copilot is going to give us. Okay, so you see the leaves over here. That's pretty good. Ah, it's got two guys instead of a guy and a girl. A guy and a girl, and here a guy and a girl. Pretty good. Okay, that's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Rex, and our channel is called Rem Prompt, and we use Copilot to generate awesome pictures. And I go through all the different prompts that I use to explain how I generated the pictures using Microsoft Copilot. So please like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.